Hello, good morning, sir. My name is Harichandra Ganpat Mengal, roll number 2533, enrollment number 1801290255. My micro project name is Pattern and their types. Content: first one introduction, second one aim of project, third one literature review, fourth one brief description of project, fifth one actual procedure follow, 6 skill development, 7 output of micro project, and 8 reference. Introduction of pattern. First one, pattern is mold of the article of desired costing. Second, pattern is required to prepare a mold. Third, the mold is made by packing suitable molding material such as molding sand around the pattern. Fifth, when the pattern is withdrawn it from a cavity or impression of the article in the sand, in which molten metal is poured and allowed to solidify to give us desired casting of the shape of the article. Aim of project. The main aim of project is everybody should understood about the different type of pattern. Literature review. Pattern is used to produce the casting of desired dimension, but the pattern is not dimensionally identical with the casting. This is because there are certain mechanical and meteorological reasons. For this, a number of allowances are provided on the pattern to get dimensionally correct casting. Brief description of project. Pattern is required to make mold. The mold is made by packing suitable molding material such as molding sand around the pattern. When the pattern is withdrawn, the input provide the mold cavity which is ultimately filled with molten metal to become casting. Selection of pattern. Selection of pattern material depend of following factor. First one, number of casting to be prepared. Second, method of molding. Third, casting method used. Fourth, shape and size of casting and how complex it is. Fifth, degree of surface finish desired on casting. Pattern and their types. The pattern should be strong enough to withstand ramping, wrapping and absorb action of sand, and should have will finish the surface to produce smooth and accurate casting. Pattern may be made of wood, metal, plastic, plaster, plaster of Paris, and wax, etc. There are different type of pattern. First one, sweep pattern. Second one, selection pattern. Third one, segmental pattern. Fourth one, cell pattern. Fifth one, follow board pattern. Sixth one, ligand up pattern. First one, skeleton pattern. The skeleton pattern is a hollow from a pattern casting of a wooden frame and ribs as shown in figure. The hollow portion is filled with loam and or scale sand. The skeleton pattern is made into hole. One is placed in the cup and other is dragged. The skeleton pattern is used when a few and large size casting are required. Hollow cast iron pipes, boxes, all bodies and bodies are casting with this type of pattern. The Following diagram is skeleton pattern. Follow board pattern, in which we next pattern. This pattern is adapted for those casting where there are a few portions which are structurally weak and if not supported correctly are possible to break under force of remaining. Therefore, bottom board is adapted as a follow board to immediately fit counter up weak pattern and thus support it during the remaining of drags. The following diagram is follow board pattern. Third one is lag up pattern. Cylindrically patterned instant pipes, barrels, or column are built up through lag or stave certain to make sure proper shape. Longitudinal strip of wood, sail, legs, or stave are beveled or every side and glued to wood's pipe pieces cell head. Such a structure give maximum quantity of strong and permit building close to finish the outline of pattern so that there is immediately little overload stroke to the remove to bring it required shape. The following diagram is leg up pattern. Actual procedure follow. First one, we select our group project topic. We start searching about our project information. We read our iScheme project manufacturing process book for collection information about pattern and their types. Next, we go to library and read the manufacturing process books for G schemes. We start searching on the internet about pattern and their types. We write all collect data in rough. We write the collect material and preparation. When we have complete all work, we make our flex and then go to prepare a project report for cyber and we get print out of our project report. Skill development, leadership, communication, the all group member, teamwork, produce the energy in work. Third one, information technology, increase the about technical education. Fourth one, confidence increase our life. And fifth one is team presentation skill is produce. Output of the project. We study about working of pattern and their types. Be able to model and analyze the pattern and their types to develop an ability to design a system, component and or process to meet desired need within realistic constant. Reference Nirali Prakashan www.wikipedia.com Book of Manufacturing Process and Technology Author is Y.D. Mhatre. Fourth one is Book of Manufacturing Process Author is M.S. Mahajan. Thank you.